Struggling with complex designs? I will turn your ideas into reliable designs using advanced simulations. Hi, I'm Umar, an aerospace engineer with over 6 years of experience specializing in CFD and FEA. Currently, I work at Veloce Planes helping with structural analysis of 6 and 8-seater private jets. My work is divided into 3 main categories. 1. If you are designing a product, I will troubleshoot your design issues. 2. If you already have a design, I will verify the design through computational simulations. 3. If required, I will modify and improve the product for better performance. If you want to work together, send me a text or book a consultation. I am more interested in long-term collaborations. Thank you. Here is some of my previous work.